Did you know if you're entitled to a higher rate mobility allowance, such as one of these, you could exchange it for a brand new car? And here at SEAT, we have a wide range of models available on the Motability scheme. So as part of the worry-free package, we will cover all your maintenance, including your servicing and MOTs. We'll take care of your roadside assistance. The car comes with full comprehensive insurance for up to 2 drivers, which can also include the claimant. And all of our models have a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating. Smashing. All you have to do is just add fuel. That's providing you need fuel, of course. That's right. As well as our traditional petrol and diesel models, you can also benefit from a plug-in hybrid such as this Leon, which can have up to 30 miles of pure electric running. Now, we appreciate not everybody's requirements are the same, which is why we can offer a series of solutions and adaptations to help you with driving, storage, or access to one of our vehicles. We have Motability specialists with many years of experience who can run through all of your options and answer any questions you may have. And then, once you've chosen your car, it's yours to enjoy for the next 3 years. And then at the end of your lease, just hand your keys back and go again with another car for another 3 years. To find out more about the SEAT range on Motability and what models are available, check out our website, smcseat.co.uk, or check out our Facebook and Instagram pages at SMC SEAT. Many thanks.